Hello everyone. This video I'm going to show you how to enable push or deploy and save in Visual Studio Code. This is the one of the productive features for the Salesforce developers. It's one of the fastest and easiest way to deploy or push your components to Salesforce environment when the local source file is saved. These features not enabled by default. So to enable these features, go to the settings from Visual Studio Code, click the file, go to the preference, select the settings or use the shortcut key Control plus comma or click the gear icon and select the settings. If you notice here, there are two settings available. One is the user settings, another one is workspace settings. User settings, the changes reflect to globally any instance which you configured the projects from your Visual Studio Code. The workspace settings, the changes reflect to workspace level. Let me go to the users level and search the settings called push or deploy and select the push or deploy and save. Once you enable these features, this will work for the scratch arc and non-scratch arc, both the things. Let me go to my component. I'm trying to change the component and using Control plus S, I'm trying to save that component. Once I saved, it's automatically running the command to deploy the source to Arc. See, I'm getting the components gets deployed successfully. If you not enable, then you need to right click every time and use this command to deploy the source to Arc, or you need to go to the relevant file and you need to use SFDX deploy source to Arc, or other way around, you need to go to the command palette and then you need to select the SFDX deploy the source to Arc. So once you enable this feature, then whenever you modified and if you are saving the file, it's automatically getting deployed. And then the settings page, you can see the exact command also. For that, click the open settings JSON file. If you noticed here, this is the command for to automatically push or deploy when using the Control S key or save. Thank you.